Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best corner protectors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Gimars upgraded sticky adhesive FDA silicone corner protectors. If you are on a quest for protectors specifically for corners, then look nowhere else and embrace this great innovation. The larger 1.57-inch diameter edge protector is designed largely to prevent chalking the baby in the event that they come off. It is created from FDA-approved food-grade silicone that is non-toxic, making it safe even if your baby decides to chew it. It uses a super sticky 3m300 SLE adhesive tape that is traceless and won't affect the finish on the surface. You will get 8 pieces of these protectors, so you have one for every edge in your home. These can be wonderful gifts or your baby shower. Moving on at number 4, we have the Home Goblin corner guards. If you want something tight that your baby can't easily rip off, then this is for you. The guards are clear and transparent, so they will blend into the edge surface without attracting much attention. The material used is lightweight, dense, soft and tough to stand up to intense use. It comes with a super sticky adhesive that secures the guards firmly in place. The adhesive is designed to preserve the finish on the surface. They are made of BPA-free and non-toxic material, so you can still relax even if your baby takes it to the mouth. Another wise choice that is worth sacrificing for. At number 3, we have the Ultimate Child-Proofing Corner Protector Kit. The next best corner protector is this stylish yet capable set from R4U. The best part is this protector is invisible and is not easily noticeable, so it won't draw the kids' attention like ordinary corner protectors. The manufacturer used non-toxic PVC to make these protectors, making it safe for the kids. They are built to last and will keep your family protected for years onwards. The guards are easy to install, so you will be able to quickly install it quickly as the toddler moves fast towards the corner. They use 3M adhesives to keep them firmly in place and avoid falling off. The package offers 12 clear corner guards, so you have plenty to cover all the risky edges. Would we recommend this set to you? Of course, we'd. At number 2, we have the Ellis Homes Clear Corner Protectors Sharp Corners Baby Proofing. With these corner guards at your disposal, you can comfortably sit back and relax as your lovely little one walks or crawls around. It is clear and transparent, so you will retain the original look of the surface without attracting much attention. They are lightweight yet durable enough to hold up to long years of rough handling by kids. Each protector is 1.5 inches thick, assuring maximum cushioning. Installing this unit is a breeze. You get a user-friendly and quick installation guide to help you through. It comes with extra hold adhesives that have been pre-applied directly from the factory, so you only need to remove the covering and stick the guards. You shouldn't need any more than the 20 protectors that you get in this package, meaning all the corners and edge in your home are cared for. And finally at number 1, we have the Edge Cushion and Corner Guard Set. What a tremendous way to protect all your corners and edges and let your precious baby move around freely. They rely on rubber foam that makes them twice the size of ordinary protector, offering more cushioning. The materials used are non-toxic, latex-free and kids-safe, making them a safe option. The guards are also flame-resistant and durable and will provide the protection you need for decades. Each corner guard comes pre-attached with 3M tape, so you can use them straight from the box. Installing these guards is pretty easy and doesn't demand any special tools. You get 15 feet of the edge guard and 4 taped corner bumpers to care for all your protection needs. The makers advise that you test the adhesive on an inconspicuous area first, since it may affect your finish. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.